Recipes for Our Daily Bread is all about giving you ideas to help you spend time with your family in the kitchen or on vacation or just spending the day together. I pray these ideas will help you bring your family closer together and honor God at the same time. To prepare this warm and delicious chicken tortilla soup, you start by preparing all the ingredients. 1 medium chopped fine onion, 2 medium zucchinis grated, 1 can of corn, 1 can of black beans that have been drained, 2 cans of rotel, 4 chicken breasts that have been cooked and chopped, 2 cups of heavy cream. Start by heating up the chicken broth, and then my son and big helper Caleb, my special needs son, is adding 4 large chicken breasts that we chopped up. And next he added the 2 zucchinis that have been shredded. The zucchini adds a lot of vegetables to this dish, but it does not change the flavor. Here's my son Caleb giving it a stir and adding the medium onion that has been chopped fine. Caleb is now adding in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 2 cans of rotel. And 1 can of black beans that we have drained. Next, add 1 can of corn. The seasoning includes 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1½ teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of marjoram. Next, add 2 cups of heavy cream. Add 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Have extra shredded cheese to top the soup later. Allow the chicken tortilla soup to simmer for a couple of hours. Here is the finished product after it has been simmering. You can get the full recipe and print it at recipesforourdailybread.com. How about a warm, delicious bowl of chicken tortilla soup?